Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change the file size of the video that you will export on the CapCut PC. So here I'm going to just start, but after you finishing your edits, you can just click on export. And in here in the export pop-up menu, you'll be able to change the video size by changing the video resolutions of the result or the result of the video. So here the current size is 28 megabyte, and if you want to make it smaller, you can just change the resolutions to a smaller one, for example to 720p. Just click on that and you can see now the size will be changing into a smaller size, which is 18 megabyte. So that's a simple trick, and I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.